Pre-Module 4 is on translating expressions and solving equations. And there's an online link to adding terms you might want to check out. Anyhow, here we go. 5 more than 3 times a number. More than indicates addition. 3 times indicates we're multiplying. And anytime we see a number, that's our variable. So that's where we're going to put our X or our N or whatever letter works. So we translate it down. 5 plus 3 times X. And there's our translated expression. Technically this dot does not need to be there, so if you write 5 plus 3x, that's the same thing. Here's the next one. 3 less than a number. Less than means subtraction. A number is our x. Here's kind of a tricky one though, because less than means we are taking the stuff at the beginning and subtracting it away from the thing at the end. So I want to switch this around to x minus 3, not 3 minus x. 3 minus x will not work. Half of a number, of indicates to multiply. A number is my variable. So half times x. Half x. We don't need the dot in between. Couple more. I'll leave that one on there for a minute. Thrice a number plus 12. Thrice? Thrice means 3 times. It's like twice a number, only times 3. So we want to take 3 times a number plus 12. So 3x plus 12 is how that would translate. 4 more than 2 times a number. More than, we already said, was addition. Times, it's multiplication. A number is your variable. Is, we haven't seen that yet. Is where your equal sign would go in an equation. So we have 4 plus 2 times x equals 28. I'm just translating these words and writing the symbols that match them. Last one, 7 less than. Remember, 7 less than is subtraction, but we want to switch the 7 to after the stuff we're subtracting. So 7 less than 2/3 of means times a number is 1. So 7 subtract 2/3 times x, but we want this switched around. So we want 2/3 times x and then minus 7 equals our 1. These last two are equations. We could solve these equations. We're going to get to do that here shortly in a lesson on solving 1 and 2 and 3-step equations. So that's how we translate.